Welcome back, everyone, and hello to all the new viewers. Over the last couple of weeks, we've been building this custom 125cc electric start Honda Trail 70. And now that the bike is getting closer to completion, this week we're going to make some custom decals and start wiring everything together. I really like the looks of the body decals on the first generation K0 Trail 70s, and since this is a custom build, I decided to draw a setup on the computer and cut them out on the vinyl cutter. I also wanted to recreate the chrome side badges on the frame, but replace the words Trail 70 with Trail 110 or 125, depending on what engine I'm going to put in the bike. Just to test things out, I printed the graphic out on a piece of paper to see how well it was going to fit on the frame, and after I confirmed all was well, I printed it out again on a piece of transparent adhesive vinyl. And then, to seal everything in, I covered the printed vinyl with a layer of UV-resistant outdoor transparent vinyl. The final step was to lay the transparencies down on a layer of chrome vinyl. The final result was a nice, thick chrome badge that looks pretty darn close to the original metal one. Only time will tell how well it holds up, but things are looking good so far. Yeah, I can live with that. Now let's see how it looks on the bike. Rad. I love making stickers. The original seat pan on the Honda was all rusted out, so I decided to use the foam and pan off of the Lifan knockoff bike. I just wasn't feeling the looks of the knockoff vinyl though, so I replaced it with something a little more era correct. Those little hooks that hold the seat cover on are a pain in the butt to work with, but I eventually got it off. I ordered an early 70s style cover off of eBay. This thing should look right at home on the bike. I was having a little bit of trouble getting the new cover to fit due to the Lifan seat being a little bit different shape, but well, nothing a knife can't fix. Now we're getting somewhere. That's a much better fit. Yeah, I'm liking that. Just a little stretching here and there, and this thing should be ready to rock and roll. I kind of went back and forth on whether or not I should add the original style chrome button trim piece dealy hoppers on the seat, but in the end, I'm glad I used them. It's a nice looking original touch.
Hey, if you like what you're seeing here, please subscribe to the channel and be sure to click the notification bell so you'll know when I post new videos. Or follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or my website, BigfootBikesandBrews.com for some exclusive sneak peeks of what I'm working on for future videos. I'm busy restoring a bunch of vintage bikes as well as working on some sweet custom builds that I want to share with you. I'm going to try to get a new video out the door early in the morning every week, so be sure to click that notification bell and have your phone ready in the morning so you'll have something to do while you poop.
Okay, now that the seat is looking all kinds of pretty, let's go ahead and figure out something for the taillights and blinkers. Oh, and also mount this cool little reproduction grab handle while we're at it. The Honda was missing all of the original lights, so I ended up using the tail light off of the knockoff Lifan bike. The only issue with that was, the light was originally mounted on a huge, ugly plastic mud flap extender. So I threw that in the trash and ended up making my own bracket that would tuck the light up under the luggage rack. I decided to go with these little aftermarket blinkers instead of the huge, gaudy, original Honda ones from the 70s. I'm pretty happy with the quality of these guys. They're made out of metal, they're super bright, and I'm tucking them really close to the body so I won't snap one off if I ever dump the bike while trail riding. I used a little Bigfoot hide-and-seek champion lapel pin to cover the hole that was in the rear fender. That's quality work right there. Now onto the headlight. I wanted to tuck the front blinkers in as much as possible as well, and I didn't want to drill any holes in my nice new paint, so I ended up replacing the nuts inside of the headlight, and I'm using the blinkers themselves and a jam nut to mount the light. Manual clutch 110 or a semi-auto 125? I went with the 125. Did I make the right choice? Let me know what you think in the comments below. While I'm struggling to get the engine mounted up in the frame, I wanted to say thank you to everyone that's been sharing my videos with your family and friends. Like, really, really thank you. I want to keep making more videos for all y'all, and the more eyes we can get on this party, the more I can grow the channel, and the more the channel grows, the more I'll be able to keep on keeping on. So again, thank you. I always have a heck of a time getting these things in here, but I'll get there eventually. So next week, I've got all this wiring to figure out. Yep, really looking forward to that. Alright, thanks again everybody for sticking around, and hello to all the new subscribers. Next week, we're going to figure out that mess of wires you saw earlier and take this little hot rod for a spin. So have a good week, everyone, and we'll see you soon.
Alright, I hope you liked this episode of Bigfoot Bikes and Brews. Click on one of the videos here if you want to see some more, and please click on the Bigfoot button to subscribe to the channel and join in on the fun. See you next week.